The moon, a bright white circle in the darkness. It hangs in the night sky, a silent guardian watching over us. But have you ever wondered where it came from? How did this celestial object become our closest companion in the vastness of space? The moon's story is a dramatic tale. It's a story about cosmic collisions and planetary formation. Most importantly, it's a story about how our Earth came to be the planet we know and love today. Imagine Earth 4.5 billion years ago, a time when our planet was in its infancy. Instead of the familiar continents and oceans we see today, picture a fiery ball of molten rock, constantly churning and bubbling. Asteroids and comets relentlessly bombarded its surface, creating a hellish landscape of fire and brimstone. It was a chaotic and violent time, with the young Earth enduring constant cosmic assaults. Amidst this chaos, Earth was slowly cooling down, its molten surface gradually solidifying. It was beginning to resemble a planet, albeit a very different one from the blue and green world we know today. The transformation was slow but steady. Little did Earth know, a dramatic event was about to occur, one that would forever alter its destiny. This cataclysmic event would give birth to its faithful companion, the Moon, shaping the future of our planet in ways we are still discovering today. Enter Theia, a Mars-sized object on a collision course with Earth. This colossal body, named after the Greek Titaness, was destined to change the fate of our planet forever. The impact was catastrophic, shaking the young Earth to its core. The collision released an immense amount of energy, equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs detonating simultaneously. The energy released was unimaginable, vaporizing Theia and blasting debris into space. This explosion sent shockwaves through the cosmos, altering the very fabric of our solar system. This debris, a mixture of molten rock and vaporized material from both Earth and Theia, began to orbit our planet. The remnants of this cataclysmic event formed a glowing ring around Earth. Over millions of years, gravity worked its magic. The gravitational forces slowly pulled the debris together, causing it to collide and merge. The debris clumped together, slowly coalescing into a sphere. This process, known as accretion, was gradual but relentless, shaping the material into a new celestial body. This sphere, our moon, began its journey as Earth's celestial companion. It stabilized our planet's wobble, influenced tides, and became a beacon in the night sky, forever linked to Earth's destiny. The moon's gravitational pull creates the tides we observe on Earth. This gravitational dance between the Earth and the moon is a delicate balance that has been ongoing for billions of years. The moon's pull generates 2 high tides and 2 low tides each day, a rhythmic pattern that has become a fundamental aspect of our planet's natural processes. This rhythmic rise and fall of ocean levels have shaped coastlines and influenced marine life for eons. The intertidal zones, where the ocean meets the land, are teeming with life uniquely adapted to these changing conditions. From the smallest plankton to the largest whales, the tides play a crucial role in the life cycles of countless marine species. But the moon's influence goes beyond the tides. It has a profound impact on the Earth's stability and climate. Without the moon, our planet would be a very different place. The moon has acted as a stabilizer for Earth's rotation, preventing drastic wobbles that could have led to extreme climatic shifts. This stabilization has ensured a relatively stable climate, which is essential for the development and sustenance of life. This stability has been crucial for the development of life as we know it. The consistent climate has allowed ecosystems to flourish and evolve over millions of years, leading to the rich biodiversity we see today. So the next time you gaze up at the moon, remember? It's more than just a pretty face in the night sky. It's a guardian of our planet, a silent sentinel that has watched over Earth for eons. It's a testament to the universe's chaotic beauty and a key player in the story of our own planet. The moon's presence is a reminder of the intricate and delicate balance that sustains life on Earth.